the fifth one?
No. The fourth one.
All right, hold up. I got you. Hold up. All right, here we go.
No, I think I called it like FO, like faux.
Fo?
Sorry, I just kind of randomly just typed that shit in when I
Yeah,
finished
let me
it.
find that. Hold up. Is it this one?
Yeah, this one. Alright. Alright. Alright, listen. Yeah. See, I ain't lyrical, but I can make a whole crowd laugh hysterical when I talk about Erica consuming all these chemicals on stage like Louis C.K. then burn the building to... Fuck, I fucked up. Hold on, restart that shit.
Bro, who the fuck is Erica?
A character. Like a average stoner girl that you'd see in like a teen movie. Some
Yeah,
shit.
I see.
Oh, by the way, how's that movie going?
Bro, it's fucking great. The Fiendians gonna love that shit.
Lit, bro.